On this day, I call upon all the universal entities of powers. I call upon the air, the fire, the water, and the earth. Today is the 8th day, and I declare into your life, I declare into my life, that every plot of the enemy to destroy our lives, to destroy our businesses, to destroy our marriages, to destroy our destinies, today we bury all their plots, that it will never work against our lives. I declare that every evil spoken words in order to bring danger into our lives, today we declare that it will never ever work against us. All they have planned against our lives, we reverse them and we bury them, that it will never ever work against our lives. I declare that every bad situation in our lives that have been eating our glory, that have been eating our lives, that have been giving us issues, today we neutralize whatever that the enemies are using to destroy our life. Every evil attacks in our lives, every evil attacks in our destiny, we neutralize them. Every untimely death, we neutralize them and we bury them. Every accident, we neutralize and we bury. Every shame, we neutralize and we bury. Every pain, every evil load that the enemies have put upon our head, that will never have peace, that will never rejoice in our life, today we bring all those problems, we neutralize and we bury them. Every evil food that the enemies have given to us in order to cause harm to our lives and our health, today we bring them, we neutralize them, we bury them. Every evil sacrifice that have been made against our lives in order to stop us, we neutralize and we bury them, and so shall it.